Reflection number 4, Geography 4 through 3 by Gillian Mann. If you were to visit Scotland, how would your investigations affect your perception, plans, interactions on the ground? If I were to visit Scotland after all my investigations in this class, I believe it would do nothing but enhance my trip. In almost every section we have gone over, I have learned a little more knowledge that I think would better prepare me in all aspects of traveling to Scotland. Let me explain. We will use Weasley here to give a better visualization of how the class will enhance planning a trip to Scotland. Weasley has booked his trip and is ready to go. He has his boarding pass in his bag, but we're going to dive deeper into the bag of goodies to see what he's bringing to Scotland and what he has planned. First, we can see that Weasley is going to be bringing his umbrella and raincoat, as the climate of Scotland is very similar to the climate of the Fraser Valley. Since he's used to the rain, gloomy weather, he's going to be super okay and very well dressed. He'll stay dry throughout his trip. Next, we will look at the map of landforms he wants to check out. Because of the interesting glacial history, the country is full of different landforms that are unique to Scotland. We can see here Weasley has a map of the areas in which he would like to check out, including areas that have rolling hills, vast valleys, lowlands, highlands, and much, much more. Since the biogeography is different, Weasley thought it would also be a good idea to take a whiskey tour so he can try to taste his way to figuring out all the difference in ingredients is used to make that liquid gold. We can also see that he wants to try a bunch of different foods while he's there. The map above includes things like haggis, oatcakes, mussels, crabs, oysters, fish, and much, much more. Pretty much mostly fish, though, up and down the coast, since he is a feline. Being the typical tourist that he is, Weasley would like to check out a bunch of the local hotspots within the area. Since his namesake is from Harry Potter, he'd like to check out the very popular Elephant House. This is the cafe that J.K. Rowling actually started writing Harry Potter at. Next, he'd like to go and check out the Jacobite Steam Train Tour, which allows you to take the steam train along the misty lochs and sweeping glens of the Scottish Highlands. It's an 84-mile trip which passes by Ben Nevis, Scotland's highest mountain. As you can tell by this video, Geography 433 has better prepared Weasley and myself in planning a great trip to Scotland. We can take all the knowledge that we've acquired and put it towards every aspect of our trip.